Alright, YouTube, let's do this. Looks like I'm going to park here. So I'm about to set it up, and I really hope that this recording, because this thing has been acting weird on me. So trying to see if I'm gonna do a blind side back just to see what my skills looking like. So I'm about to sit y'all down right about here and let's see what we got. So let's sit y'all down. All right. All right. Dang, that was less than 4 minutes. Yeah. So now I just pretty much got to unhook. Same thing like the last video. So we got to unhook from our trailer and get this stuff going, so I can start to get my money, honey. Ooh, honey. Yeah. Let me get up off here with y'all. So yes, more parking. I was going blindside it, but blindside takes a little longer than just regular parking, because a lot of times you park from your driver's side. So just like homeboy gotta do, pretty much gotta turn it around. So I need to disconnect, do my paperwork right here. When y'all people that don't know that this is a 360 video, you can turn it on the screen. So as you watching me, you can pretty much touch your, whatever you watching it from, a laptop, a tablet, whatever. You can view it 360. So just touch the screen and you'll see that you can, like if you watching me, you'll see that you can switch it around and watch what's in front of me or beside me. So now that I'm telling you this is a 360 video. So look around and just see. Don't be clowning me on my truck, because I know I'll be trying my best to keep this truck organized, but it seems like nothing I do gets this truck organized because it's so small. So it ain't that bad, but I wish it was just bigger space. But all right, y'all, let me get up off here with y'all. And time is the essence. I got to make better time of it and get to work. So I'll be getting back with y'all soon. Deuces.